large digital wall clock, temp date week display, remote control, USB-powered table clock, wall-mounted dual alarms, LED clocks, function 1, time/date/temperature/week display 2, dual alarm clock function, support to set alarm frequency 151617 5, alarm rings from Monday to Friday 1, 6, alarm rings from Monday to Saturday 1, 7, alarm rings from Monday to Sunday 3, brightness adjustment 5 levels, manual, brightness adjustment and auto-sensing 4. Time memory function available when powered by battery and plug-in use at the same time 5. DST function press button more than 3S in time state to turn on off DST mode 6. Voice control function AAA battery mode can be waken up by voice control, batteries not included. 7, 12/24 hour format switch 1, time display 2, press set button more than 3S 24 hours, display 3, press +/ button can switch to 12 hours 8, degree C/degree F switching press. Button more than 3S to switch degree C/degree F, no specification, material, plastic Google. Lens, power type, external power supply, USB powered, color, as shown in the picture,